Hi guys, it's me again. It's Saturday. The sun came out. The rain has stopped. So go out and have a good time. Why? Because you deserve to have a good time. You know? Right now we're listening to Jordin Sparks, One Step at a Time. And it's a great song. Just because it's true. One step at a time. No matter what you're going through, in order to get over, it takes one step at a time. Nothing happens overnight. So, you know, as I said before, don't beat yourself up about it. It just takes time. We live and we learn. You know? That's what life is all about. Living and learning, you know? You make your mistakes, you fall, you get back up, you rise again. It's just all a part of life. So, you know what? Learn to have fun about it. That's what I'm trying to do. Da, da, da. One step at a time. We're going to make it through. I'm still here to encourage you. Okay? I know from watching all these videos, I'm hoping now somebody should have been smiling by now. I'm smiling. I'm making fun about myself and everything like that. Hey, it's all good. As long as you leave here feeling even a little bit better than you did before, hey, that's what matters. You know what? It's a great day. It's the weekend. You deserve something special. Go have that ice cream cone. Go outside for a walk. Smile. Listen to your favorite song. Dance around the house. Act silly for 5 minutes. Hey, why not? Shake it off, you know? You can do a different song too. Shake it off. Anyway, you know, again, you're beautiful. I love you. God loves you. Hang in there. I'll talk to you soon. Short and sweet today. Not too long. All right. Bye.